Hi, I have in front of me here a bow saw, a 21-inch bow saw that we sell on the gardenshop.ie. Okay, it's part of a wider range of cutting, trimming and pruning tools that we sell. Now, the reason I got this is it just sort of complements our range quite well. So for the more minor jobs and pieces of timber, it's possible to use something like a crange or a pruner's, etc. to do it. But if we're into very thick pieces of timber, like I'm going to demonstrate here in a moment, using the bow saw is quite important. So you can just see the shape of the teeth here on the bow saw. So it's quite sharp, so it's important to keep out of the way of children. And then the way of tensioning this is you can actually come along and you can just turn this wing nut here and you can add on to the tension of it. And it's important to have it sufficiently tight to stop the bow over, or the bow saw over bowing. Okay, so we just walk over here now where I have a piece of timber on the ground, and we can just see here it's actual action here. You can see there, we're able to cut through, a piece of timber that's about 6 centimeters straight through with this in a matter of a couple of seconds. So it's a good tool, and it complements the rest of the range quite nicely. The other things we want to consider in the range would be things like our power pruners here, our lopping shears here, and also we have heavy duty hedge shears, and of course our secateurs as well. Now, it's part of a wider range of equipment that we do on the gardenshop.ie, so everything associated with garden tools and garden equipment, such as some safety equipment, gloves, spades, shovels, rakes, etc. It's all available on the gardenshop.ie.